Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. I'm going to plan today for the week beginning the 2nd to the 8th of December. And I'm going to go with winter onesie time. I didn't get it in the Hobonichi kit this time. I'm going to use my planner subscription. And I would normally wait until it's officially winter to do my first winter theme. So it would be the 21st of December, here, when winter begins. However, that means then that I only ever really get to do one Christmassy theme, and I have a couple of Christmassy kits that I want to use this year. So I decided I'm just going to go ahead and do my winter theme now. Plus I'm just in the mood anyway. So let me show you what we're working with. We have lots of stuff. So I have these two vinyl stickers. I have these smaller stickers. Winter onesie friends, fun winter onesies, winter townhouses, cute winter houses, and winter town things. Oh, this is the journal card. I don't need it. I'll just set it to the side. Then this is the kit of 6 sheets. And then I have the 3 larger sticker sheets. So Cozy Onesie Friends, Winter Wonderland, and Winter Village. And then finally I have these left over from the sticker subscription. This Winter Onesie Town is the theme for my December journal. It was the last video on the channel. If you missed that, I'll link it below, where I set up my journal for December. And I also showed you what came in the journal subscription, the planner subscription, and the sticker subscription, if you want to see that. But anyway, I have these 2 left from that, and one of the little circular stickers. So I have lots to work with. And then I don't have the washi that goes with the theme. However, I do have this Winter Critters washi from Coffee Monsters Co. with all the emojis in little animal onesies, which is essentially what this is, only it's little girls in animal onesies. So I thought that would be really cute to go with it, to cover this purple up at the top. So let's get the base down, and then we will have a chat and get to planning.
Took me like forever to get through to you, misty blue. In any kind of weather, I thought of you, misty blue. It's hard to know, but no one comes close. Undiscovered landscape filled with hope. You are golden territory, let it show. On the corner of Baker Street, I met you that first time. Kept you in my mind since then. Hey, you know it. Oh, nothing compares to us. It's like a constant rush, an undiscovered landscape filled with hope. You are territory, let it show. Now you run beside
Right, let's get to it. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. It was actually a while ago that I planned for this week and loads has happened, so let's have a catch up. So I actually planned on the Tuesday and the aim was to get ahead because I wanted to start deep cleaning my house. Because it needs it really badly, especially the downstairs. I had everything all filmed, I had captioned my videos, I was feeling organised and ready to go. And then on Thursday morning, I spent the day in bed sick. I don't know if you can still hear it, but I have a lingering cough, but I had a really bad chest infection. And I ended up cancelling my hair appointment because I just didn't get out of bed all day Thursday. And then Friday I started an antibiotic. I had to cancel my nail appointment. I did line my pantry shelves and I had ordered like lights, so the motion sensor when you walk in. I'm not obsessively clean or anything like that, but see, once I get something in my head, like I've been living with downstairs in a shambles for a long time and it never bothered me, but then all of a sudden, now that I had it in my head that I was going to sort it, it irritated the life out of me. Oh, sorry. Yes, and it was just irritating me so much, even though it's been that bad for a while. But yeah, I was sick, so I lined them and that's about all I could do. And then I did feel a little better on the Saturday, but I only had the energy to do it in bits and pieces, so I started to deep clean downstairs. So I would do a little bit and then I would go lie down or sit and watch something or read, and then I would get up and do another little bit and then go lie down, etc. So I continued in that vein over the weekend. And then it got to Monday. I was still feeling sick, but I was more in a let's get this done frame of mind and I wasn't intending to take as many breaks. But Stephen informed me as he threw me out of bed on the Monday morning that the carpet was wet, and it turned out that there was a leak, and I thought it was the pipes underneath the floor, which would have been a disaster as we have just decorated that room. It was about a year ago now, but even so, with a new carpet in and everything. But it turns out it was like valves in the radiator. So we had to sleep on a mattress in my studio, like over here, and get a humidifier and let the carpet dry. So the upstairs of the house then became a disaster. And then you know what it's like whenever you're cleaning. Well, at least when I do anyway. It gets worse before it gets better. And the kitchen, I was embarrassed by how disgusting my kitchen was inside all the drawers and everything. But I decluttered and deep cleaned and didn't go too crazy because I am sick, but I got it done and I'm really proud of myself. So I was finished the deep cleaning by the Wednesday then. And then on Thursday I had rescheduled my hair appointment and I caught up a bit in my planner because I wasn't really working in it. I was just deep cleaning and getting on with things. And then on Friday I finished organising my baking things away. However, I have a little Dynamo label maker. And I want to now print, well, there was a few new clear jars that I wanted to label, you know, like baking powder or whatever. But I also want to put on the dates of things because I haven't baked in a while because of the state my baking things were in. And I had to go like into a corner cupboard in my kitchen and dig everything out. And it was just, I'm not a clutter person. It stresses me out. But anyway, because of that, I think quite a lot of things had expired and I couldn't risk it because it never bothered me before because I was baking so frequently. I was baking like 4 cakes a week at one point in my life. So I never really, the ingredients never got the chance to expire. But now that I'm not baking as much, I decided I need to put the expiry date like on a little sticker at the bottom of the glass jar. But the Dynamo battery decided to die, and when I went in to look, I had a drawer full of AAA batteries and no AA. And of course, AA was what I needed. So yeah, where's that little sticker that I found that perfectly described my mood? There it is. It's a little Eeyore sticker. It says, could be worse. Not sure how, but it could be. And that's just what I felt like. I was channeling my inner Eeyore for quite a lot of that period of time. And I just was feeling thoroughly sorry for myself and could not see the positive. But I have cheered myself up now and the downstairs is clean. There's still a pile of crap in the front room that needs to get taken to the dump, but we're getting there. So the aim this week is to do upstairs, and I've got like a thin Billy bookshelf that I want to put in my studio here so I can put my used planners in it and display them, etc. So that was a whole big thing. That's why I feel like I haven't spoken to you in so long, because so much has happened. But we'll get there, one day at a time. Hold on. Right, so where are we now? Plans. Monday is Cyber Monday. I didn't actually buy anything on Black Friday, and I'm not going to buy anything tomorrow either. I should have put this up at the top. In fact, I'm still gonna. Just put it over here. I made a purchase on the Thursday because the stickers that I wanted were already up on the site. It was event labels from Coffee Monsters Co. And I just decided, do you know what? Instead of sitting waiting on the rush, I'm just going to go ahead and get them, because there wasn't anything in particular that I needed that was only available on the Friday. Look at me being sensible. So yeah, I think that's the first year in a long while that I haven't done a Black Friday sort of stationery sticker order. Anyway, right, I have a Tesco delivery coming at 12. I wonder if I have a bluish Zig Clean colour dot rather than going for grey and being predictable. Give me a second. I do. Let's do powder blue. So Monday, and then I'm going to dot the 12. We had a little bit of snow the other day, so I don't feel weird doing a winter theme. I mean, it didn't lie or anything, but it's still well and truly winter to me, even though it isn't official. And I've been putting the heating on every day and been thoroughly freezing. Right, so what am I going to put here for... Feels weird. I have got so used to using Hobonichi kits, but I am going to be switching to this type of kit next year, so I mean, I'll get used to it, like, but it's funny how you get into a habit. I'll just use the little lamp and, I was going to say basket, what do you call it? Bench, my word, for the 12 o'clock delivery. And then I have a Teddy Plans Co. girl holding the groceries. And then we have the usual leave out the bins. Let's do the little outside post box for it and do it up here. I definitely need to get a little trip to the dump. This is from Coffee Monsters Co. Because I decluttered like crazy, but also the pantry that I created out of a cloakroom was a lot of Billy bookshelves, but of course that results in tons of cardboard. And then if I'm going to be building another one, that'll be more cardboard. So we're definitely going to have to take a trip. And then on Friday, I'm going to call my doctor, see how things are going with the new medication I'm on and stuff. It's hard to tell though, because I've been sick, so I don't know. But anyway, that's a little doctor bear from the Take Care range from Hubman and Chub Girl. And then a little box. And I can write call the doctor, and then I have nails at 12:30. So should I use a little don't forget? Why not? So they're here. And then I have a Fox and Pip. This is my very last one of these stickers. The nail polish bottle. Anyway, and then the final thing is to update the groceries, which I'm actually going to have to do later on. It's Sunday today when I'm filming. I haven't planned on a Sunday in so long. So let's do this little girl under here, and then a little winter emoji with this little winter hat on and winter coffee and a laptop. Right, time to write everything in and organise what I want to put in here. Because there's so much, I'll not be putting it all in here, but we'll see how it goes. Some of it will just sit in front of me for whenever I'm journaling throughout the month of December.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do. Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little when I'm with my friends and we drink till we're done. Yeah. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you.
That is me set for the week ahead. I hope you enjoyed that and enjoyed hanging out. Hope that you've had a better couple of weeks than I just had, but anyway. Oh dear. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later in the week, and until then, take care. Bye.
All of the memories I tried to erase just comes back when I'm sober, and I see that face and it shivers.